Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader on XAU. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of gold USD and you can see I'm in a 4 hours time frame, and to be honest, things are very boring with the gold USD chart right now. Okay, because see, if we look at the chart, then there is no doubt that market is an uptrend. Market is a beautiful uptrend. There is no doubt about it. There is no denial. Okay, but if we look at this particular portion, okay, if I zoom in the chart and tell you, look at this particular portion. Okay, forget about the uptrend, forget about the bullish market. Okay, just concentrate on this portion. Just look at this portion and tell me, what do you see? Okay, don't you see that there is no volatility in the market is flat, market is dead right now. So things are very boring with gold USD. Okay, there is no volatility in the market, so uh, so there is no proper trading position here. Okay, so we will have to wait for the market to come to our price. Okay, so let's look at the weekly chart once and see how the weekly chart is doing. See, this is the weekly chart, and yes, weekly chart is also telling us the same story. If I zoom in the weekly chart, then you can see that it has formed a doji pattern, and as we all know, doji pattern generally suggests that there is an indecision in the market is flat. Bulls and bears, they are both struggling to take the market towards their own direction, and as a result, market is having no direction as of now. Okay, now let's jump to our uh, 4 hours time frame. So we are back to our 4 hours time frame, and see, this is the uptrend market, and I have already shown you that market is having no trend right now. Okay, as the market is an uptrend, and as I always say, okay, we should always stay with the trend. So in an uptrend market, we should always look for buying opportunity so that you do not get trapped easily. Because if you short the market in an uptrend market, or if you go against the trend, okay, then there is a high possibility that you may get trapped, and most of the traders lose money because they do not follow the trend. And apart from the trend, the next reason traders lose money on market is that they do not focus on the area of value. Generally what happened to traders is that they just see, oh, market is going up, I have missed out, I should enter. Okay, that should not be like that. You should not trade like that. You should not have the fear of missing out. Okay, you should have patience. If you're seeing a market going up, then you should not enter. At first you should look for the area of value. Okay, you should look for area of value so that your risk to reward ratio matches. Okay. For example, if you enter here, okay, if you enter here, or if you buy here, okay, then your stop loss will be below this line, below this 50 moving average. Because see, there's no doubt that 50 moving average is kind of providing support to the market, so 50 moving average is a valid support. So your, if you enter here, your stop loss is here, and you can see that there is a big gap. There is a big gap between the current market price and the stop loss. And if the market goes against you, if the market goes against you and hits the stop loss, then you'll be losing a good amount of money. Therefore, you should always look for the area of value so that your risk to reward ratio matches. And in an uptrend market, the area of value, the best trading opportunity or the golden spot is always near the support. And as I've already mentioned, in this case, our support is the 50 moving average. Therefore, our first trading opportunity in gold USD chart is wait for the market to come down to the 50 moving average. Okay, and apart from 50 moving average, I can see that I can also draw a trend line here. Okay, market is following a trend line also, so we have got dual support here. Okay, we have got dual support here. So our best trading opportunity, Okay, our best trading opportunity will be wait for the market to come down to the support level. Because see, you should not compromise with the trading discipline at any cost, and most importantly, most importantly, do not chase the market. Let the price come to you always. Okay, so best trading opportunity or the first trading opportunity is wait for the market to come down to the support zone. Whether it is 50 moving average or trend line doesn't matter. When market will be hitting this support level, then just observe the price. Try to read the chart. Try to understand the market psychology. If you see that price is being rejected from below, it is forming hammer kind of candlestick patterns, or market is forming green candles like this, then you'll get a confirmation that yes, market is taking support at the 50 moving average or the trend line, and it is about to bounce back, and then you can go for a buy order easily here. Easily you can go for a buy. Okay, and the second trading opportunity is wait for the market to cross this level, and this level is 1890. Wait for the market to cross this level. You can see that market is trying to cross this level, 1890 level, but market is unable to do so. Market is struggling hard. Market is giving its best shot, but market is failing every time. Therefore, wait for the market to cross this level. Once the market crosses this level, 1890 level, then just observe the price. Let the market cross the level, and then you just try to understand the market psychology again. Do not go for the buy order right away. Okay. Let the market trade above this level or the resistance for at least some time, for 3 to 4 hours. Let the market trade. Try to understand the market psychology. Try to read the price. If you see that market is trading comfortably above the resistance level, if you see the price is not struggling, market is trading comfortably, okay, there is no price struggle, then you will get the confirmation that the resistance has become the support now. Okay, once the resistance become the support, then you can go for a buy order above this level. Okay, so you can go for buy order above this level, 1890 level, once market crosses this level and resistance become the support. Okay, once the resistance will become the support, then this will be your new area of value. So these are the two trading opportunities in gold USD chart right now. But right now market is flat, dull, dead. Wait for the market to come down to your price level so that you get the best price. So this is it. Hopefully you've understood. If you've liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care.